How to add email to my Telegram account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Open up your Telegram, click on the settings. Once I've clicked on the settings, this is going to come out, right? So I'm currently on my iPhone. So click on the privacy and security. Right now, if you look at the first options, you're going to see blocked users, password lock, two-step verification, and the auto delete messages, right? So click on the two-step verification. You can see mine is currently turned on, right? So for you to be able to add your email to your Telegram account, you need to turn yours on. So the first step, you need to enter a verification code, right? Sorry, you need to enter your, you need to do a verification, like enter a pass lock, right? A password lock that can be able to verify your account, right? So if you enter the password lock, you're going to be able to add a recovery email, right? So the basic thing you need to do, just ensure you turn yours on. You're going to click on it. You're going to add your recovery email to your Telegram account. If you found it today, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.